Hello foodies, welcome back to Ket-O-Mania. Today we're grilling up something truly special, keto chicken skewers. In the world of low-carb, high-flavor cuisine, these skewers are an absolute game changer. They're succulent, zesty, and packed with spices that will make your taste buds do a happy dance. Best of all, they're keto-friendly, which means you can savor every bite without veering off your diet plan. These are not only delicious, but also perfect for your low-carb journey. Let's kick things off with our ingredients. First up is the star of the show, boneless chicken breasts or thighs. Either will do, it's all about your preference. Next, we'll need olive oil, which will help our marinade stick to the chicken and provide that lovely grilled texture. For a zesty tang, we're adding lemon juice and minced garlic for a punch of flavor. Spices are key in this recipe, and we're using paprika and dried oregano. These two will give our skewers a smoky, herby touch. Of course, we can't forget the classics, salt and pepper to taste. To prepare our skewers, we're using wooden ones. Remember to soak them in water to prevent them from burning on the grill. And of course, we'll need a keto-friendly dipping sauce, which we'll make using mayo and your choice of spices. The sauce is where you get to be creative and make your skewers really shine. Start by cutting your chicken into bite-sized pieces. The key to a flavorful dish is in the marinade. It's like a magic potion that transforms ordinary chicken into a culinary delight. In a bowl, combine your olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, paprika, dried oregano, salt, and pepper. This blend is a symphony of flavors that will infuse your chicken with a depth of taste that's truly irresistible. Toss the chicken in this flavorful marinade and let it soak up all those delicious flavors. Next, thread the marinated chicken pieces onto the soaked wooden skewers. This step is as fun as it is easy. Imagine you're creating a tasty piece of edible art, and each piece of chicken is a bead on a string. Just remember, it's important to space the chicken pieces evenly. This isn't just to make the skewers look good, it's also to ensure that the chicken cooks uniformly. And that's it. Ensure they're evenly spaced so that they cook evenly. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. This is the perfect temperature for our skewers to cook evenly without burning. Now, place the chicken skewers on the grill. Listen to that sizzle. That's the sound of flavor in the making. Make sure to turn the skewers occasionally. This helps them to cook evenly and gives them a beautiful char. Remember, patience is key. Don't rush the process. Let them grill for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're cooked through and have that beautiful char. While the skewers are grilling, let's whip up a keto-friendly dipping sauce. This is where you can let your taste buds take the lead. Start with a creamy, full-fat mayo as your base. From here, you can add a dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, or any other spice that you fancy. Want some heat? Toss in a splash of hot sauce. Craving a smoky flavor? A pinch of smoked paprika will do the trick. Customize it with your favorite spices like garlic powder, smoked paprika, or hot sauce. Once our chicken skewers are ready, transfer them to a serving platter. Arrange them in a way that's both appealing and accessible. Now, it's time for the final flourish. Remember that keto-friendly dipping sauce we whipped up earlier? Drizzle a little over the skewers or serve it on the side for an extra burst of flavor. Finally, garnish your dish with a sprinkle of fresh herbs or a dash of paprika. And don't forget to drizzle them with a bit of lemon juice for that extra zing. Time to dig in. These keto chicken skewers are incredibly flavorful and juicy. The smoky char from the grill, the zing of the lemon, and the punchy marinade all come together to create a taste sensation that defies the simplicity of its ingredients. But that's the beauty of this dish. It's not just about the taste, it's about finding joy in the process, marinating the chicken, threading each piece onto a skewer, and watching as they sizzle and char on the grill. It's about the satisfaction of knowing you're nourishing your body with a meal that's not only delicious, but also fits perfectly into your low-carb lifestyle. If you enjoyed these easy and flavorful keto chicken skewers, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more keto-friendly delights and share it with your fellow keto enthusiasts. Thanks for joining me today and until next time, enjoy your grilled keto creations.